Connecting your Rogers remote to your TV lets you control volume, channels, and power. There are two main methods: infrared, IR, and Bluetooth. IR requires a direct line of sight, while Bluetooth offers wireless control. For Ignite TV subscribers with the Ignite Voice remote, Bluetooth is the preferred method, enabling voice commands. For older setups, universal remotes using IR are still available. Recent Rogers remotes support newer smart TV models from Samsung, LG, Sony, and TCL. Always start by ensuring your TV is compatible and powered on. Let's get started with the process. The easiest way to pair is through the Rogers Ignite app. Download it, log in, select Pair Remote, and follow the prompts. If you prefer manual pairing, hold the Home or Setup button on your remote until the LED blinks, then enter the code specific to your TV brand. Find codes on Rogers' support page. Test the volume, mute, and channel controls to verify successful pairing. If you encounter issues, try resetting the remote by removing the batteries or contact Rogers support. If Bluetooth is dropping out, a factory reset of the remote, home button hold, will resolve the issue.